What's up you guys? My name is Jency V. Welcome back. If you haven't been here before, I'll be linking my channel right here. I do makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos for you guys. I am open with any suggestions that you like to see from me. And if I give you guys a value in any of my videos or this video, help me smash that like button down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell down below. It is finally February. We are spending time with our loved ones, our partners, our boyfriends, girlfriends. So remember you guys, Valentine's is a special day, but at the same time you don't really need Valentine's to show your love to your loved ones. Always just show up for them every day. Just the little things matter. And of course, this will be the makeup look I'm gonna be showing you today. Alright, so enough with blabbing. Let's get into the video. Alright, let's get started. And so, have I done this makeup before? No. So we're gonna do it together. So we're gonna be using some reds, some dark browns, some black, some white. I do all of these new makeup actually. Most of the time I do it for the first time with you guys, and I just hope for the best. Have your brushes damp because it's more pigmented like that. We're gonna start with a dark brown. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is basically just doing a tapping motion first, like doing a circle motion and kind of like blending it just to see how dark the color is, because normally I do the dark like at the end, but I'm doing it first this time. As you can see, if I'm tapping it, it's already really dark. This time, now you want to blend, go in circle motion. So you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I'm gonna use my red. I'm gonna use the same brush, and I'm just gonna kind of tap it a little bit above that brown. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So make sure you do tapping motion first, and then you're gonna do a circle motion just to see how pigmented or dark your color is, so you can see if it's too much or too little, too much for you, and then you can adjust from there. It looks crazy right now, but don't worry, it's gonna get better. Make sure you don't have any solid lines, so you want to like blend it like this. This is gonna be a very fast tutorial because there's not a lot to do. It's just super easy. Okay, so now we're gonna get our concealer. Any concealer you want. I prefer not using a stick concealer. You can, but I want something liquid concealer, so you can actually easily just draw a line. So we're gonna do like a wing line, but a little bit thicker. I'm gonna go a little bit above my crease line right here. So my crease line is like right here, so when I open my eyes, this is my crease line. I'm gonna go a little bit above that, and I'm gonna draw a wing going up, and then I'm gonna cover the whole thing on the bottom going down, just like that. I'll do the same thing on the other side. And so I'm gonna get a really thin brush. It's like really small brush, and so I can have some detail work. If you don't like the color of your concealer, you can actually just cover it with white eyeshadow. So I could do that right now. So I'm gonna get like a white eyeshadow and just dab that right on that wet concealer, kind of covering that up. And then I'm actually using the kind of like a glittery white, but you can use like just a regular natural color if you wanted to. I don't know if you can already tell. So I have my regular concealer, and then I covered it with white. So if you guys just want to keep natural color, then just keep your concealer color. I'm covering it with white. So now let's get this small brush that I was just talking about. Now if you have a darker red, like a maroon color, use that. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make another wing line just using eyeshadow that I have, and I'm just gonna draw that, kind of doing it like an eyeliner, and just kind of like making that right here. Just making that little wing line, just a thin one. You don't need to make it thick, but if you want something to pop or whatever, you can add a little bit of pink or red if you'd like to have a little bit of color in it. And so now I'm gonna get a different brush and I'm gonna start highlighting this area right here under my brows. I'm gonna get like a tan color, or like you could use white as well if you'd like. I'm gonna use tan, kind of like white tan, and I'm gonna start putting that under my brows, kind of like a highlight. You can add the white shimmery glittery eyeshadow so it has a chance to have that light reflection. I'm gonna go back to my eyes. I'm gonna go back to my lashes here in a little bit. Now I'm gonna fix my brows. I'm going to contour my nose. I have flat nose, so contouring is a must. Put a little bit of your red eyeshadow on your lower lash line. You're supposed to do that before you could put your mascara, but I completely forgot, so it's okay. I can still do it. Just try to squeeze it in there. It'll still work. So I'm gonna line my lips. I line my lips with a little bit of like a brown lip liner with my pink lipstick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have like a white eyeshadow, and I usually just tap it on the middle of my lips just to brighten that up. My lip gloss. Now it's time for our highlights. I'm doing everything so quickly, you guys. And then I'm just gonna have a little dot on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and then on my cheekbones. Just doing it all very quickly, kind of like dabbing it and also kind of blending it all in. I want to look rosy, so I don't want to just look like this. I'm gonna get my blush, so I don't want too much blush. I want it to look natural still, like when you go outside and it's really cold and your nose starts to turn pink. I just want to brush it back and forth and kind of make it look pink. I don't want too much pink on my cheeks either, so I'm gonna start from the hairline and going to the middle. And then I want it to look like it's cold outside and I am naturally just glowing. This is enough. I'm gonna start doing my hair right now. I just get dressed and I close the blinds because it's getting too bright in here. Actually, I forgot something. I'm gonna highlight my inner corners with some white, and then I'm just gonna put it right there. That's it. Just to brighten up my eyes a little bit. I don't know if you could tell already. My eyes look more open. Alright guys, so this is my finished Valentine look. I don't think it was too bad, right? It's not too much, and if it is too much, then you don't really have to use fake lashes. You can just use mascara and you're good. Curled my hair a little bit bouncy and everything. And if you want to see how I curled my hair, the link is right here. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's with your loved one, with your partner, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or just spending time with your family. Just remember, it doesn't have to be Valentine's for you guys to spend time with your loved ones. It's always have to be every day. Make sure you're consistent with showing up. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's, and don't forget to wear your crown today, and I'll see you guys on my next one.